Y dime qué me hiciste, qué droga me diste, que desde aquella noche no soy igual. Tú me miras y empiezo a sudar, siento que puedo volar. Baby, la nota ya está haciendo efecto, mi mundo está día y me siento perfecto, porque estás tú aquí moviéndote así no pares. Baby, tú eres mi droga.
Hi. I love you, subscribers. So I'm on the road and I'm headed home. I got about 9.5 hours to go. Yeah, look at these fucking mountains. Like, holy shit. They're so fucking majestic and beautiful, and it reminds me of the white sandy beaches of Pensacola, Florida. Oh my God. Crazy trip. Gotta explain it all to you when we get stopped. But until then, you will see my journey as I go. Woo! Or water, I don't know what it is. It's salt, I think, but it's like majestic and beautiful. I'm gonna take you out to it. I am just stopped at the rest area. I've been about 199 miles, so about 200 miles. So, look at it. It's so beautiful. Excuse me. It's like water, I think. I don't know what it is, but it's really beautiful. Yeah, it's water. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's water. Wow, this is so beautiful. Hey, I'm back. So I stopped in Wendover to get gas. I have about 7.5 hours to go. I'm trucking along. I only put $20 in gas and filled up. Whoop, whoop. This little car is amazing. She drives so good, and her name is Roslita. Look at my view. Look at that view. Look at it. Just a little tidbit of what you see around you. Yeah, so I'm jamming out to my playlist. My DJ sent to me, and yeah. Yep. All right, well, I love you. I'm gonna drive. I will catch you later in a couple hours. Bye. Hi, babes. I'm back. So I've had an adventure. I took a risk and I made a friend. Do you mind being on YouTube? Awesome. This is not rain. This is what a snowstorm looks like. This Alabama girl thinks it was rain. No, I'm fooled. Woo! Bladder. So Is it our exit and shopping places, or is it a camp of some kind?
Yeah.
I guess we'll find out. Bye. It's begun. Winter snowstorm of 2024. Hi guys, it's Claudita. Craziest World's Adventure. Snowstorm 2024. Whew. Like second snowmageddon in my life. I had this beautiful creature sent from Earth to be part of this ride, and he's gonna show us how to put snow tires on, or snow chains. Here's Shane.
Hello. Sorry, I'm not good on cameras.
Oh no, you're fine. Whew. What? How do you put it down? Clips down?
Yes, flips pointing out. So the
Flips pointing out, okay.
Down, yes. Okay. Now, drive your car forward 2 feet.
Okay. Gotta drive the car forward 2 feet. We'll show you the finished product. Look at this snow!
At the stop sign, turn left on top.
We're putting the chains on. So there's little notches on the chain that go in the hole that holds it secure. I'll show you when it gets on this side. You just feed it through like you're feeding a zip tie.
You gotta be sure to pull on the chains and make sure they're tight.
Pull tight.
This back one's the hard one.
I'm glad you're doing it, not me.
Right?
You're my blessing.
Okay. Got 2 more. 1 more. Come on. And there it is. Nope. 1 more.
Struggle.
Struggle. I think that's it.
Yeah. Good and tight.
Yep. I don't think it's
What?
gonna go anywhere.
Okay.
We'll just take it slow and smooth.
Slow and smooth. I like it. We rolling like Snoop Dogg and Dr. Dre. Oldest part of Sierra. We're in California, baby. Woo-hoo! Would his insurance cover it?
Your windshield wipers, only if you had insurance. You can't make an insurance claim if you don't have insurance. There you go. You get an incoming call too.
All right, guys. Part 7 of our adventure. We're stuck on the side of the road. Woo! Look at all the snow, baby. We're getting towed to the rest area. And snow's starting to fall. Snow's starting to fall. On the way home, there's Mom. On the way home, on the weekend. Love you.